Isabide Grace, Kabonesa Aisha, Kago Jacqueline, Kansime Tracy, Kasakwa Joseph.
Thank you so much, dear band. I can request the band to take us through the anthems. I'll request the band. Our dear parents and visitors at large, you are all most welcome.
At this juncture, I've been given to invite Associate Professor Dr. Rose Nanyo.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. I know what to ask of God. The world had turned, so I said resilience, and I pray for everybody.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Can have thank you.
I'll introduce the president of the whole city has been introduced. Her Professor Dr. Philip, Mr. Ankata, Mrs. Nasaka Diana, Mr. Dr. Musoke, Mr. Mutebi has just suggested the name from Mr. Kanima Geoffrey to Omega. Dear graduates and all the congregation here, I want first of all to congratulate your parents for entrusting Sifrash with your son. Thank God for giving you the life to live and see this happen. Congratulations. Our dear medical professionals. Yes. Oh, wow. God is good? Yeah. Thank you. We want to appreciate and also recognize. I want to appreciate management and council for we have been able to expand the capacity in terms of lecture rooms, in terms of capacity, in terms of offices, and also give all the praise for the achievements we give them.
By virtue of the powers entrusted to me, I award to all those whose names have been read a certificate in nursing of Uganda nurses and midwives.
As I congratulate you on this significant milestone, your hard work, perseverance, and determination have brought you to this moment. Today marks the beginning of your journey that extends beyond personal success. You are going to achieve your goal, but we are calling upon you to make sure that you focus on humanity. So as you step into your roles as nurses, midwives, and other healthcare professionals, remember that your work goes beyond the walls of clinic or hospital. It is about improving lives and giving hope to those in need. I want to tell you that health workers, we are known of even giving hope to people who have died or who are almost dying. It is not your work to start telling the caretakers, the patients, that for you your life is gone. You should give hope to clients. You should give hope to patients and their relatives. You are joining the healthcare sector at a time when the world is facing various challenges.
Our dear graduates, thank you very much for having completed the program of study, and congratulations. Our dear chief guests and all of us gathered here, this is our 10th graduation ceremony. We have had 10 of them. This marks the 10th. Today, we are graduating 363 graduates. So 363 graduates will receive certificates and diplomas in various courses. Some of them are examinable under Ugandan Nurses and Midwifery Examination Board. Others are examinable under Uganda Allied Health Examination Board. And others are under Uganda Business and Technical Examination Board. And then we have those examined internally. We internally award under the mandate of National Council for Higher Education. So there are some programs that are going to be awarded based on the mandate given to this institution by the National Council for Higher Education. We thank very much our chief guests for having turned up on this function, and also thank.
Leadership in action also requires being compassion. Your words, your demeanor, and sometimes your quiet considerations can heal as profoundly as any medicine or intervention. Compassion is a form of leadership. Compassion builds trust and relationships. Compassion enhances team performance. Compassion addresses holistic needs, which is one of your values. It's not just addressing bits and pieces of a human being. It reinforces the human connection that we all strive for. Lastly, Leadership in action also means that we are leading by example, that we are willing to take a risk, to stand apart from the pack. When I interview nurses and doctors and faculty who are looking for jobs, I always ask, what sets you apart from the rest of the people who are outside of this room, who are also looking to do the same job, to have the same interview? So what is going to set you apart from all other nurses and midwives? What kind of a midwife or a nurse or a pharmacy officer are you going to be? What makes you tick? Why should the world care that you are a nurse or a midwife? So you need to be able to demonstrate that you are going to lead by example. Because you know, when we lead well, leadership is contagious. People are able to look and appreciate the fruits of that leadership as you demonstrate it. Somebody mentioned that also leadership requires resilience. I know that the world is full of challenges and you will no doubt experience them, but the ability to recover from those setbacks, okay, reflects a mindset that most young people really need today, to be able to confront those obstacles with grace, with faith, and with hope. And resilience is about navigating the uncertainty, how unpredictable our world has become. I remember
We are so happy that we have pursued a certificate in nursing. We are very happy. We thank all the parents, guardians, and whoever laid his hand on our success. We thank you all. We call upon John St.Francis College Science Namataba. It's located 5 kilometers from Mukono around Bujinja High.
Graduation olw'ekumi on St.Francis School of Health Sciences Namataba. Abazadde mwenna tubaanyiriza kuleeta abaana bammwe ku St.Francis essomero ddungi terina buzibu bwonna, so tebibadde byangu naye twebaza omutonzi atusobozesezza okutuuka ku graduation yebale mwenna.
I thank God for reaching on this day. I'm very happy. First of all, I'm here at St. Francis. We are enjoying. So the place is cool. It's very good. The day is wonderful. And I thank our parents for pushing us up to this day. I'm very happy for this.
naye okusinziira tugezezaako ne tusoma ku bitabo tutalako mu discussions naye ekirala ekikosi yo ngimaze bulungi era abantu eggwanga kirina okunsuubiramu kukwata bulungi bapatient bange kubawembejja bulungi n'okubalabirira.
Nabyenjiga natandika okusoma nze nga omusawo ne ntandika okukulaakulana ne nfuna PhD ne ntuuka wentuuse, naye nga manyi nti olwo olugendo lwange ekintu ekisinze okunnyamba yeyo commitment to lead, okay? To be an example, beerenga example eri abalala. So nkubiriza abaana bano abafunye certificate olwaleero batandikiraawo, it's never too late. Batandikiraawo babeere example ennungi, beekwase Katonda, basobole okulabirira eggwanga. Twetaaga abakulembeze abalungi mu buli kintu kye bakola, whether business oba oli musawo oba buli kimu kye tukola. Eggwanga lyaffe lyetaaga abakulembeze, leaders who are faithful, nga bamanyi Katonda. Amina. Message gye tuwadde abaana era ekwata ku ekyo ekintu ekikulu, era omukulembeze aweddiini bwe yabadde ng'atubuulira n'atugamba God first. Tumanyi nti abantu balina ebizibu n'abasawo babeera n'ebizibu. Y'ensonga lwaki tukubiriza abasawo basobole okuba nga balina ethics. Okiraba essente si omulwadde aba teyeetaaga ssente. Omulwadde kye yeetaaga musawo ali compassionate, omusawo asobola okumulabirira. The fact that nti abantu balowooza nti bwe banaawa ssente ku musawo bagenda kufuna akeya ennungi, ekyo tekikola. Era omuntu akugyeko ssente kirabika aba tagenda kusobola kulabirira bulungi, kubanga bw'omuwa ssente agenda kudduka agenda eri omulwadde omulala afuneyo ssente endala. Ekikulu nti abasawo kikusaba gavumenti nti gavumenti ebalabirire bo ng'abasawo, then abasawo babanga babalabidde bulungi ne gavumenti oba private sector, then abasawo babanga basobola okukola emirimu gyabwe ebirungi. So bwe tubanga tuyigiriza abantu yensonga lwaki neno partnership ziba nga zirina okukola. Okiraba gavumenti esobola okulabirira abasawo ne basobola okulabirira eggwanga.